Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Checking the activation expiry of your PC or laptop helps to prevent sudden deactivation of your Windows OS, which could lead to loss of functionality and access to certain features. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your Windows activation expiry date. This will allow you to determine if your PC is permanently activated or the number of days left until the activation key expires. To begin, run the CMD command as an administrator. Here, type a command. slmgr.vbs /XPR. Then press enter. A Windows pop-up will be open. As you can see, my PC is permanently activated, but this may vary for your device, which may display a message indicating that the volume will expire on a certain date. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.